This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup out of chicken broth. First, let's build our flavorful foundation. Start by pouring 4 cups of quality chicken broth into a large pot. Place it over medium heat. Next, add your aromatic vegetables, 1 cup of diced onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté these for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to soften and release their delicious flavors. This simple step is crucial for a rich, comforting soup. Now that our base is fragrant, it's time to add the main components. You can incorporate 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken for a hearty meal, or 1 cup of lentils for a vegetarian option. Next, stir in 1 cup of small pasta, like orzo, or 2 cups of chopped potatoes. These additions will make your soup more substantial. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, ensuring everything is well combined and submerged in the broth. With all your ingredients in the pot, it's time to perfect the flavor. Season your soup with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite herbs. A bay leaf or 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme can add wonderful depth. Let the soup gently simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures any pasta or vegetables become perfectly tender. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. We're almost ready to enjoy our delicious homemade soup. Before serving, remember to remove any bay leaves you added. For a burst of fresh flavor and color, stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley or cilantro. Give it a final taste to ensure the seasoning is just right. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve immediately. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread for a truly comforting meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.